Shunansu, tell me least two-digit number.
10.
And maximum two-digit number.
99.
99.
99. Arnav, what is greatest six-digit number?
Sir, 99999. 6 times 9.
Six times 9. Okay.
Yeah.
Whenever we are finding square root, we form couple, na?
Yes, sir.
Division method.
Yes, division method. So last class we did, I think, till sum number 6.
Oh,
Okay.
1 second.
Sum number 6 we have done. Just check.
Yes, sir. Only six. We have done till 6, and the seventh one is find the greatest number of 6 digits.
That we have
Which
to
is the
start. Na?
perfect
Yes,
square.
sir.
Yes.
Seventh one, it is find the greatest number of 6 digit which is perfect square. So greatest 6 digit, just now you told it is 9996 times, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir.
So greatest 6 digit number which is perfect square. So every time 999 will not be perfect square. But we are trying with that, and then we'll add or subtract depending upon the condition. So we can say greatest first. Understand properly. Greatest 6 digit number, as you are saying, it is 999999. But not necessarily this is perfect square. We are interested in perfect square of 6 digit number. So by division method, 999999, one couple, two couple, three couple. Shreyash follows till the coupling part. Yes, Shreyash, follow coupling part. Yes, Shreyash, have you followed coupling
Yes,
part?
sir. Effort followed. I was not able to.
So if I start with 9, 9 square is 81. This 9 we write at 3 place. 9 into 9, 81, or 9 square is 81. Here we add, here we subtract. So we will get 18. This is 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then 99 carry forward here. Full couple we have to take that denominator. Now, can I start with 9?
No, sir. 7.
No, sir.
You can try it with 7.
We can start with 7.
Yes.
So if we take 7,
Because it's 9, so we can take 3 or 7. And nearest can be
no,
7.
wait. Not because it is 9, you will take 3, 7. It is not perfectly divised. We don't know. Closest we have to take.
Yes, no, closest also.
So if I take 181, that we clearly know 181 into 1 is 181, too small. So
Yes.
ये पहला 2 digit खाली देखना. This is 18. Okay. So if I write here 33, so 18 3 is 54, 540 के आसपास में आएगा, less. If I write here 6, then suppose here I take 5, so 185 into 5, 18 5s are 90, 900. If you take here 7, I think this will become less. 7 will be less.
Sir, 9.
9 only, sir.
9.
It will be nearest.
9 will be nearest. Because when you take 10, it will become 1800.
Yes, sir.
The closest is 9. Now plus, and after multiplying right here and minus. 9 into 9 is 81. Carry 8. 9 8s are 72 and 8 is 80. Carry 8. 9 and 8, 17. So this is down 10 minus 9 minus 1, 8. 9, 1, 1, and this you add 18,
198.
198. Now this couple again we have to bring down.
Yes,
99.
sir.
Now think 198. If I take 1, then it is just 4 digit, but this is actually 5 digit. So if I take 5, let us take.
You can try it with 9. 9.
9. Let us take 9. Because if we take 10, it will become 19,800.
Yes.
Yes, 9 is perfect. 9 will be perfect.
Yeah.
Closest one. So here also 9. 9 nines are 81. Carry 8. 9 into 8, 72. And 8 is 80. Carry 8. 9 into 9, 81 and 8 is 89.
Yes, sir.
Carry 8. 9 and 8, 17. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. This is 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. This will be 8 minus 7. So, 1. 1998. 9 and 9 is
1998.
1998.
Oh, it's perfectly nice.
No, not perfect.
No.
9 and 9 is here 18. Carry 1. So 9, 1998. Now starting is 0, no?
Yes, sir.
So it will
If
be.
we add 0 then to its big.
Now, see, till this everybody can do. If you know 6-digit number greatest is this,
Yes, sir.
then till this I think everybody can do. Now problem is
Yes.
to check 1998 you got. 999 ka square will be definitely less than this or not? Because
Yes, sir.
we got
It will
remainder.
be approx till this.
We got remainder.
Yes,
So,
sir.
to get greatest 6-digit number, because इससे ज़्यादा नहीं ले सकते, तो इससे कम लेना पड़ेगा.
You have to subtract this.
I have to
Subtract.
subtract this. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 minute. Wait. 1 minute. Wait. Let me complete full. Therefore, the greatest number which will be perfect square, which will be perfect square, will be that number which we have selected minus this remainder. So 999999 minus 1998.
Sir, 998001.
Okay.
Correct.
No problem.
998.
This is 1008. So 998001. So hence our required number is this one 9980, and its perfect square is 999. Clear meaning?
Yes, sir.
Right now. Right.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes. Say. Say Ashmit, na?
Sir,
No,
I
say.
joined at yes. Sir, I joined at 3:50 because internet was slow. So, sir, can you tell me what we have done till now?
Just listen carefully. I just started. This is 7 sum. Find the greatest number of 6 digit. So 6-digit greatest number which we know is 999999. Correct?
Yes.
But they are telling perfect square wala 6-digit number. So I just found it square root by division method. I didn't got 00 at the end.
Okay.
So that means that remainder I should
Since we get
subtract
remainder, that means that it is not a
Has to be subtracted from.
from the 999999. So that 998001 is now
Understood.
6-digit perfect square number.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And even I'm recording, I will send this recorded lecture.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, try it now.
Sir, did you send the last recorded meeting on WhatsApp?
I have sent the last one already.
Okay.
Then once I complete, there will be test also now.
Okay, sir.
Sir, when?
When is your lucky day? Which day is your lucky day? That day I will give.
Sir, any day is fine.
Sir,
Any
after the
days.
exams.
After the before exam we have to keep. How do
Yeah.
after the before exam? Tomorrow only Gandhi Jayanti.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow
Yes.
test on A, B, C.
Okay, sir.
After
Thank
solving, you have to post me so that I
Sir,
will
what is
correct it.
question for test?
Test 3A, 3B,
ABC.
3C. Yes, A, B, C.
Sir, we have
Yes.
to join tomorrow also for Zoom.
No, you have to solve the sum at home, post it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On WhatsApp group.
On WhatsApp. So that
But
once
sir,
that
which sums you will give or what?
this is paper leaking.
Sir,
No.
sir, not in group, na, sir, in personal chat only, right?
See, 1 minute, listen. Question paper I will send on personal group, but solution you will give me individual.
Okay, like we have to message you personally.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Not message. On WhatsApp you have to post.
Yeah, on WhatsApp.
Then once we have completed full chapter, then I will take test in front of me. That means your video will be on. I will send the
Okay.
question. I will be the invigilator.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir. I've completed.
1 minute. Wait.
Sir, I
Sir,
also finished.
Everybody has to. One last line we have to write now. We got the number. Now we have to just conclude this.
That therefore
Sir.
the greatest six-digit number is this.
No, that to heading I have written. Greatest
Sir, I
number.
have one more question.
One more.
Question, sir. I have one more question.
Okay.
Sir, so you have said that we have to do ABC, right?
Yes.
So the questions will be the similar type, or they will be exactly the same?
That is surprise.
Whatever is there in A and B.
That is
and C.
surprise to you. It can be anything. It will not be out of syllabus. It will be of similar type. Maybe sometimes
Okay,
same
sir.
sum, sometimes different values. See, greatest 6-digit number to I cannot change. No? Same answer you get. है ना?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Now can I clear this everything?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one is 8. Find the least. Find the least 4 digits. Find the least 4 digits, which is a perfect square. Will you try on your own?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just take 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me least 4-digit number which you know?
1,000.
Which one?
1,000.
Achha.
Sir,
But that 1,000 may not be perfect square, so we have to add subtract.
Add the
some.
remainder.
Let us see. Let us see.
sir, I actually have already done the rest of the questions of this exercise. So do I have to rewrite them?
What you are saying?
Sir, I have actually done all the questions of this exercise of 3C. So do I have to rewrite?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, you don't solve. We'll do it now.
Achha.
Sir, done.
What is
Yeah.
your answer?
Sir, I got 1039.
1030. Okay. In greatest we had subtracted, here you have to add.
Yes, sir. I have also finished.
What is the answer?
1039 is the least four-digit number.
How much you have added to that?
Then 39.
39 you have added. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Let others also see. Then let me check whether they have done.
Okay.
And its square root is 31.
Yeah, sir. 31.
Got it. You might have got till 30. Then the next one is 31. Correct? Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Let others also do. Shreyash, you got better?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Finished.
What is the answer, Shreyash?
1239.
Okay. Ninth one. Find the least number by which 69192 must be decreased, then increased, then multiplied, then divided to make perfect square. 4 questions are there in this. Ninth one. Will you try one? First one. Find the least number by which 69192 must be, first one decreased means subtracted, second increased means added, and third is given multiplied, and fourth is given.
Sir,
Yeah.
I guess 1039 of the last question is wrong.
31 will become 1336 and 3 square 9. So this is not answer. Wait, what you are telling? 10
Yeah, sir.
So the correct answer is 1024.
Yes, sir.
32
1024.
1024 will come. Yes, 1024.
Sir, but remainder I am getting is 39 only.
Yes,
No.
because
Yes,
100 minus 61 is 39.
Yeah, wait, it's not like that.
I no.
I'm just explaining. This is 2 digit, 3, 9. So this will be 100.
Sir, can I tell? Sir, can I tell?
Wait. Let me explain. This is 3. This is 6, and this is 1. So you might have got here 1. This much you got.
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but 336 into 1. So 61 you got 39. Now this you don't have to remove. 39 so you got remainder. So 31 इसका आगे वाला will be what?
32.
32.
Yes.
So 32 it will be our least one because 31 so you are getting remainder this one.
Yes, sir.
So इसका next वाला will be what? Which is
32.
perfect square.
Sorry, 40.
32.
1024. 32 square. 1024.
Yes, sir.
That you have to write.
Oh, understood now. Sir, just a minute, sir. Before you start this ninth one, we'll correct.
Correct it first. So 31 we got with 1000. So nearest is not 1039, but nearest is 1024 because next 31 का आगे वाला square is our least value.
Sir, since 31 square is less than 100,
Less than 1000. Less than 1000. Less than 1000.
Yes, sorry, less than 1000. Then clearly 32 square. If 31 square is less than 1000 uh, by 39, then clearly 32 square will be larger than 1000, proving its square to be a perfect square. Proving
Correct.
it.
Yeah, correct. Find the least number by which 6912 must be decreased, increased, multiplied, divided to get perfect square.
Sir, by this means first you have to remove this division. You have to first remove division method. You have to first try that it's a perfect square or not. Then we'll understand something.
So can I clear this ninth one from the screen first?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 6,
For
9.
this must not means this is not a perfect square. I think so.
If it is perfect square, then remainder will come 0. If it is not coming, then you have to add subtract that to the last one.
I tried it now, but remainder is coming 23 then.
Great. Number is what? 69192.
Yes, sir.
All of you stop. Please stop. Don't worry. Because see, you all know the method. खाली एक एक concept देख लो मेरा. See, if this is perfect square, what remainder I will get? 0.
Yes, sir.
If I'm not getting remainder 0, I get remainder sum as 2, 3, 4. That much if I remove, it will become perfect square.
Yes, sir.
So first one, I'm just finding what will be remainder. If remainder 0, then no need to add subtract. That itself is perfect square. So coupling, 1 couple, 2 couple. This is without any couple, so 0 is our hero. Put before 6. Now, can I take 3 3s are 9? No. 2 2s are 4 I can take. 2 square 4 I can take now. So this is 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 91 carry here. Now see, if you take this, if you add something here, it will become 2-digit number.
Yes.
So if I write 1, 41 into 1 is 41, very small. If I write here 5, then 45 into 5, 20 के आसपास में आएगा.
Sir, we can
6.
try it by 6, I think so.
6. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 4 is
276.
20. 6 6 is 36. Carry 3. 6 into 4, 24 and 3, 27. So 6 and 6, 12. This is 5. Now 11 minus 6 is 5. 8 minus this is 1. And 92 I can take.
1592.
Now if I take here 3, 5 3s are 15, can.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
1569. Correct.
6
1569.
are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. This we have to subtract. So 5 2 6 and
23.
So I think
23.
524 into 4 will also come. I guess.
No, this is only correct. 524 into 4 is a larger number.
now why? See, listen. How to come to that? If you take 4, then 5 4s are 20 will come. Now this is 15. So you can't take 4.
Yes.
Okay.
So 12 minus 9 is 3. 8 minus
23.
6 is 2. So my remainder is 23. Remainder means this is extra.
Yes.
Yes.
So therefore, 6192 when subtracted with 23, it will become perfect square of 263.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
263 is perfect square.
So 23 must be subtracted to make perfect square.
So the answer of the subtraction is very weird number. Means it's mirror image from both the sides.
Okay. 23 must be subtracted. No, they want only what is subtracted. So 23
Yes,
must
sir.
be subtracted. Then they are telling what to be added. What to be added? To add, you have to find
We have to add
263.
plus 1 to 264. It can be.
एक minute, don't speak. If I have to add means to get perfect square, then I should know 263 का आगे वाला number 264, and its
Yes,
perfect
sir.
square is how much? Whatever is balance, that much I should add to 23. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So 264 square equals to how much? Just multiply 10. 264 square
Sir, 696
69696.
69696 you have written.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is 69696. Now 69696 minus 69192 will be how much? 6 and 2 4 9 and 9 0
0
5
5
504
504.
504.
504. So this much
Yeah.
I should add, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No. Sorry.
So 9
Yes.
to 504 you have to add, no?
Yes. I actually, sir, I thought we have to add 69,504.
Achha, achha. Now you got idea what we did? So
Yes,
6
sir.
not 4 must be added to the original number, then it will become perfect square of 264. So this two part over. Just copy it in this, then I'm clearing and explaining third, fourth part.
But sir, first we are finding decreased one, na? So we have to subtract 23, and after that, after that you should add. So we have to add this to 69192 or which number? Means 504 should be added to what?
Do this.
Okay.
This.
Yes, sir. 69694. Sorry, 96.
Don't be in haste. First thing. First part we got, if that 23 balance is removed, it will become perfect square. Then second, what you should add so that it will become perfect square. So this one is not perfect square. So 263 is coming with not perfect square, it is coming with remainder. So I found what is 263 का आगे वाला number. It is 264.
Yes.
So that came 69696 by multiplying you only told. So whatever is balanced, that much if you put to 69192, it will become perfect square. Correct now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now wait, let everybody complete with this. See, first time take time, then next time when you are doing individually, you can rush.
Sir,
Yes, say.
sir, when is physics? Physics we do at
Every
Monday, right?
every Monday, yes.
Okay.
Then next they are telling how much to be multiplied or divided to make it perfect square.
Then prime factorize, na? Then because that multiply and all.
Yes, to multiply and divide, you have to check
Prime factorize.
prime number, and then coupling wala part.
Yes. And then if it is not, then you have to multiply, and second time you have to divide.
Yes, like suppose it is 2, left out only one pair.
Yes.
Then 2 you multiply, then also it will do. 2 you if you remove, then also it will do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we try the prime factorize?
Right. See, we have so much time. Don't worry, you should do on your own once you have understood. I'm also doing side by side.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, I got that number which is remaining outside.
What you got?
Then I got the number which was remaining in this
Yes.
5 factorizes. 2.
Then 2. Okay.
Yes.
2 is perfectly right.
Yes. Then we have to multiply that means 69192 by 2.
Or we can
Okay.
divide.
Okay, sir. I got the multiplied also.
See, we don't want multiplying के बाद में answer. We want only number to be multiplied and divided.
Yes, sir.
No need to actually multiply. You will say it should be multiplied by 2 to get perfect square. It should be divided by 2 to get perfect square.
Yes. Divided by 2, the answer is in front of us only because we have done it in the starting.
Now 1 minute. All of you wait. Just wait. Look on the screen.
Okay.
I got 2, 2, 2. Now my common sense, which we all have, this is 9. So we will never get divisor as 2. तो इधर से दिख गया ना 2 extra है ना?
Yes, sir. Correct.
I cannot divide further by 2. So that this
What are you doing?
this 2 is without any
See this screen.
coupling. Now if it is 9, can I think
Why
of
is why is
3?
screen shoot?
Can I think 3?
Sir, it's 3.
Yes, sir. 3.
It is 3.
3.
Why will the screen shift?
3 into 2 is 6. Remainder 2. 3 8s are 24.
83, sir. 283. Correct. 283.
You only want to know how much time it will take from there.
3 into 9 is 27. 3 6 are 18.
961.
Now 9. Please keep yourself muted.
Ashmit, you're unmute.
Ashmit, you are unmute.
All should keep yourself muted. Only when you are answering unmute. Otherwise, my eardrum I will lose. I will become muted every time permanently.
Sir, I got that answer. We had done it just now. 31. You had multiplied now 31 into 1.
So
That's
this 961 is perfect square. So now no need to do further. We can write 69192 is 961, which is perfect square. So don't waste your energy. 3 3 and 2 2 and 1 2. This is without coupling. Can I say the multiplier is 2? The divisor is also 2. हो गया answer. Yes, Ashmit Pednekar, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are coming to decimal wala T. Mast sounds. Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
See, खाली decimal का एक concept बता दो. Can I rub this? Arnav, done? Hello, Arnav?
Yes, sir.
See, 961 I didn't found prime factor because we know it is perfect square of 31. So directly we wrote 961 because they have not given which method. It is by any method I can find multiplier and divisor. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now third ka D part. Third D exercise 3D. 1 minute. Don't you wait. Now whenever you are coupling, integer wala coupling left you will go. Decimal wala right you will go. This you have to remember. 3 0 3 are they same or different, Sudhanshu?
Same.
But 3.0 and 3.0 are they same or different?
Different.
No, they are also same.
They are also same. Correct. They are also same.
They are two. But method is if I go on putting any zeros here, my answer will not change. है ना? So for decimal and without decimal वाले का इधर 0 0 करूँ तो कुछ भी नहीं फर्क पड़ता. So whenever we are coupling, so everybody's gone where? So whenever we are coupling, we will couple left side integer and right side decimal. So first one is find square root of first one 2.89. I wanted square root. This is couple. But अकेला couple कैसा होएगा? ये zero को hero बना देता हूँ इधर. ये already in couple. Now tell me, Shresh. Yeah, Shresh. How to start?
Sir, first we will take one.
One, correct. Yes, Sudhanshu, it is right. One or two.
One will take, two will be more.
Two will become four, and four will
Four.
become more. One and one. सबका मालिक एक. कुछ नहीं रहेगा ना तो सबका मालिक एक. 1 plus 1 2. Here minus 1 1. Then this decimal now you put here. Okay. Then same method. One couple take out.
89.
Because it is
20.
18. 1 minute.
20.
One minute. You may be correct. Just 1 minute. If this is 18 and I take 1, 1 2s are 2 is very small. If I take 6, 6 2s are 12 is very small. 9 2s are 18. Either be 9 no.
7.
7 7s are, because we are knowing
9 and then 189.
and you are knowing 289 ka perfect square is 17. Yes, Arnav.
Sir, by mistake.
So therefore, I got square root of 2.89 as 1.7. I hope you all followed. Pakka.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I
Yes,
shapat. समझा क्या?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Then those who have completed, second I will not help. You will do.
Okay.
Yes, try. You all are very intelligent.
Sir, you don't solve.
I will not solve. Okay, time please. I am not solving. Yes, sorry. In 10th, I want you all get more than 95. In physics, 100, 100, 100.
Sir, got
Sir,
the
I got the
answer.
answer.
What is the answer?
5.8.
5.8.
5.8.
5.8.
Perfect answer. Everybody got same?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then try next one. I can orally see and tell the answer. But you
Sir,
calculate.
actually I got 5.80.
Ashesh, what you are saying there?
Sir, I got 5.80. CME only.
Yes, same. You are doing stand-up comedy, I think.
No.
Good.
So you don't solve.
Sorry. I'm doing structure. That's it.
Okay.
Coupling ka structure I'm making this.
Okay, sir. Sir, for one we'll put 0, na?
Understood. Alone it can't be couple. Na? So it is coupling with some zero, that is zero.
Sir,
I got the answer.
12.5.
12.5.
12.5.
12.5.
Yes. Very small. See, Ashmit, Arnav, Sudhanshu, a shortcut देखो जरा.
Yes.
इसे 25 है ना तो unit place में 5 आएगा, guarantee है.
That is there.
This is 13 into 12 ना, 13 into 12. वो shortcut पता है ना?
Nearest is 12 12 are 1.
So I have told you shortcut. 5 का 25, 12 into next number is 13, 156.
Yes.
Yeah. ऐसा shortcut है. चलो try. Then next also you can try. I think. My God, very simple. Like God है. Try next. Ashmit, any doubt? Shall I explain you?
No, sir, no doubt.
Wherever you get held up, please tell me. Huh?
Sir,
Sir,
got
got the answer.
What is the answer?
8.7.
8.7.
Classic,
Yeah.
classic. Right. Right, next.
Sir, you never did 8.7.
Correct. Perfectly fine. Fantabulous answers.
We have to solve the next. So next one also do we have to solve?
That's all now. Fifth, sixth, will that try? Because they are simple sums you can manage.
Sir, today we have to start 3D, na?
3D? Today we'll start with 4D, 5D. 3D already we have started, beta. This is 3D only.
Sir, I mean, touch with the teacher. Like,
Acha. Teacher is doing on which song?
sir, third or fourth, I don't
So Saturday we have lecture, no? Teacher is having holiday.
know. Day after tomorrow.
So we will complete more than that.
And tomorrow also holiday is there.
So teacher will not be able to start any sum. I will be able to start. I will complete full in this week.
Sir, 2.37.
2.37.
Yes,
Yeah, sir.
Arnav, yes. You all are very much scholar here.
So Saturday you were going to you were in class, na?
Saturday our usual lecture. Tomorrow you have test.
No. I mean, you will take our teacher in our class, na?
Teacher will have holiday no, on Saturday. But I will take
I mean, she will come in our class, na?
Who?
Teacher, our class teacher.
But this Saturday you have holiday no, in the school.
Sir, but you had told on Monday or last Saturday.
Monday what?
Sir, 6 sum also we have to solve.
Yes, till 6 you have to solve. Yes.
Sir, 4.8.
4 point how much?
8.
No, sir. Sir, wait, I'm doing,
No.
sir. So
Wait,
just a
sir.
minute.
Because there are 2 digits, no? So 2 decimals.
Yes, sir. There are after the decimal there are 4, so there should be 2 digits.
Yeah, correct.
So the answer is approx.
4.28.
Correct, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Sorry,
4.28.
Same, sir,
4.27.
Same, sir, same.
4.27.
No, sir.
4.28 I'm getting.
4.28 you what?
No,
Yeah.
not even in 4.28.
Answer is 4.26.
Yes, sir, 4.26 because 4.28 is a very large number and 4.27 is also very large. Means last, if you will see 7, it's also very big. 4.26, sir, correct.
It is getting perfect square 4.26.
Yes, sir, it's a perfect square. 5076 is the answer. Means last step if you subtract.
You want me to explain or you all got the answer?
No, sir, I got it.
Got, sir. Understood.
Ednekar got the answer?
One 164.
Got the full properly?
Yes, sir. 164, sir. 2 only. It will.
So 4, 2, 8, 16. So this is 84. Here 2, 3, 4 and 4, 0, 5, 1. 76.
Sir, it's only 50. It's not 150.
Then you are getting the 4. 4, 4.
Correct.
6 you will get now. 4 9s are 32. 6 you are getting 4.26.
Yes, sir, correct.
Next one, decimal wala I am explaining. Huh? Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Others? Shreyash, Ashmit, Arnav?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this thing you just now said.
Okay.
About the next. The second question means you are when you said Arnav, it's wrong answer. For that, you had said something.
Yes. Now I said ki it is root 2 suppose. I know answer it is 1.414. We want answer up to 2 places of decimal. If you want answer up to 2 places of decimal, you will find 3 decimal and round off. Correct? This is the rule. So first root 2, I want in decimal. Can I form couple with decimals?
Yes, sir.
Decimal, 1
0, 0,
couple,
0, 0.
2 couple. How many couple you will take?
2,
Three,
2 couples only.
3, because 2 places you want, na? So you have to find answer up to 3.
Sir,
Why, sir? 3?
sir, if we'll do it with 2, then 2 will get the answer.
You will always get answer. But whenever it is up to 2 places of decimal, we have to check whether third place is greater than 5 or not.
Sometimes it happens like we get wrong.
So if I get here 6, and then it is wrong na, if I delete this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Chalo. Now 1, 1, 1. 1 into 1 is 1. This is plus. This is minus. Decimal here. Take couple. Can I take 4 fours? It is 96, na? 24 into 4.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
So left out is 4. This will become 28. 2 couples. If you take here
2.
1, no, 2 will be larger.
2 will become
Large. 1, 2. Because 2 will become 28 into 2, 56. Na? If you take
Yes.
2 digits. So this is 2, 8, 2. Here 1. That means what we are getting? 2, 8, E1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 1. Now if you take 2 zeros here, now common sense says it can't be 5 because if you take 28 into 5, that will be not 100. Na? So this is my correct answer. I need not go ahead. Again see why. This is 28, first 2 digit. Can you see 28?
Yes, sir.
Only when you will increase by 1, when it is more than 5. Na?
Yes.
So can it come more than 5? 28 into 6 will be how much? 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are 12, and 4 16. 1 6 will come.
It's very large.
So no need. So I can say therefore root 2 is 1 point.
They have asked only 2 decimal places also. So we have done till that.
So if you want, you can like write one more line, but further you will discard.
Okay, sir.
It will go by 4. So 4. Therefore it is correct decimal. Don't break the rule. Find till 3 digit. Because it is less than 5, discard, write 1.4.
Sir, why do you have written first means till 3 and then till 2 decimal places in the answer?
Because without division, I don't know whether third digit is 5 or more than 5.
Yes. Okay.
So you have to always go till 3 digit. If it is coming less than 5, you have to discard.
Then we can come back. Okay.
So
Okay,
that's
sir.
all for today. Tomorrow you have test. Same time I will send the paper at 3:30.
Okay, sir.
But I will not be invigilating. You have to complete and send. Okay.
Sir, by what time we have to send?
It is just 1 hour test. So by 4:30 you should send.
Yeah.
If you complete early also you can send.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Bye. Take care of yours.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Welcome. Bye. Take care.
Thank you,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, Sudhanshu.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye.